Mr. Chandrakant Kotian is a chartered accountant, nutritionist, marathon runner, fitness enthusiast, foodie, and amateur current events writer. As a nutritionist, he has helped many people lose weight and follow a healthy lifestyle. He has done restaurant reviews for Bombay Times covering interesting food joints. He has run 10 full marathons and 7 half marathons in Mumbai. He has written several articles on current events as well. मेरे सपनों के भारत में आप सभी देश प्रेमियों का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। सर, वेलकम टू द शो मेरे सपनों का भारत।
Thank you, Karthik. I first would like to appreciate for inviting me here, and I also would like to appreciate that you being a 10-year-old kid and a 5th standard school-going boy. I mean, we didn't have so much of guts as if what you have got to stand in front of a video camera and talk like this. So all the best for your future. Thank you.
Sir, I am sure you must have seen my earlier interviews. So what is your candid feedback?
See, as a 10-year-old boy, as I said earlier, I mean the confidence that you have to ask questions to a very senior industry people like a CMD or a director level was remarkable, and really, I really want to appreciate it. This was fantastic. Good job.
Thank you. Sir, you are an all-rounder. People don't wake up on time. How do you manage to do so many things?
See, time management is an art. How to do a particular task in what time, and how many hours it will take, how many days it will take, how many months it will take, or how many years it will take is an art. So once you get the art of knowing the time taken for a task, you are home, number one. Number two, waking up early is also a habit. So like they say, शास्त्र में लिखा है 4 बजे ब्रह्म काल होता है, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त. So the gods wake up at 4 a.m. So you are supposed to sleep in the night when the night sets in 9 o'clock and get up at 4 a.m. like Akshay Kumar. And then you get a lot of things to do in the morning. Like suppose you get in the morning, you can do your bath and your prayers. I do my meditation. Then I check my mails before the gym is open. I can check my mails in the morning. I go to the gym. I come back, have a good, healthy, planned breakfast, with the fiber and eggs and protein, everything. Then I got time to read newspapers. So you get the head start as compared to other people. You have got advantage of doing so many things before your day started. So I already sent my mails. Half the work is also done. My gym is done, healthy breakfast is done, bath is done, newspaper done. And by the time you reach office, you are like sorted and ahead of the competition.
Please share 2 things that you like about Bharat.
About Bharat, there are a lot of things I like, but the 2 things, if you want me to specify, it will be the diversity, because we are a people of 140 crores people population, where you have got different mix of people, and we have all the cultures of different languages, and that is one. And number 2, we have the food, the cuisine. I'm a foodie, so I love to eat all types of food. So I would love to eat Bengali food, Mughalai food, South Indian food, Chettinad, Tamil Nadu, Punjabi, Kashmiri, whatever. So we got so many options of food culture and the diversity in terms of different mix of people we have here. I love meeting people, people, I mean, human beings are made by God. So God has made different types of people. So we can meet so many different people in India. So diversity and food are 2 things.
2 things that you don't like and want to improve.
2 things about India that I don't like. First is the rampant corruption which is there in India, which unfortunately, very difficult to eradicate. Number 1. And number 2, if you ask me, it will be the pollution also. If you go to up north Delhi, the pollution and when I said the corruption, also I want to add one more political hypocrisy. Like I find all the politicians are on the face hypocrite. You know, दिखता है कि you know they are what they are saying is one thing, what they are doing is another thing. Most of the parties, all the parties are corrupt. But then there are people who are doing a good job, like doing a less job. But everybody is corrupt. So corruption is one thing, and the second I said pollution.
सर, गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट सेक्टर पोल्यूशन के लिए बहुत काम कर रही है, तो उसमें आपको क्या अच्छा लगा?
Well, I have noticed that a lot of industries are pumping in money in the right direction to control the pollution. Without naming them, there are a lot of big industries are putting in money. Number one. Number two, small activists like in the local areas are also doing their own, bit to control. So things are being done. I agree.
Please tell us about your all-round activities.
Thank you for calling me an all-rounder, but actually I'm a chartered accountant. And by the way, I just want to pause for a minute. I want to just bring to your notice, without planning anything, we have Bharat ka jhanda behind us, Tiranga. So actually I'm feeling very proud to talk about Viksit Bharat and today's Bharat. And this is a coincidence. This is actually absolutely unplanned by you also and by Karthik also. So it just coming back to your question, all-round activities. I'm a chartered accountant per se. I'm a freelancing chartered accountant, and I love to do running. I have done, as you know, 10 marathons, as you said, and I love to do cycling also a bit, swimming also a bit. I like to write blogs on songs and current events. I also have done a course in nutrition, and I give a lot of gyan to health advice on to people to lose weight and etc. So these are my activities, and also I've done covered restaurants for Times of India. So these are some of the activities which I love to do all around.
This brings us to the last and final question. आपके सपनों का भारत आप कैसा चाहोगे?
मेरे सपनों का भारत, I would my ask is very big. My ask is my सपनों का भारत should be भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त भारत or a corruption free भारत, and which is actually in my opinion a very best next to impossible. I don't want to use the word impossible, but it's almost next to impossible. But I would love my Bharat to be corruption free, and I would like to believe that even if you reduce the corruption by 20, 30 or 35, 40% also, India would be able can afford to pay some few countries in the world, they are paying unemployment allowance. India would be able to pay retirement allowance irrespective whether you are in government service or not. Every person who is retired above 60, above 65 can be paid retirement allowance. Yes. So that much we got so much money. I mean, we have already started GST as 2 lakhs crores per month collection is there. So the money is coming in, and maybe now even if the income tax rain, or what do you call, the jali is like spread over to other people, like people start paying more income tax, they will get more money. But the corruption is what kills us. So therefore I would love to believe that once we become corruption free, India will be the most powerful nation in the world.
अगले एपिसोड में फिर मुलाकात होगी. तब तक भारत माता के सेवा में व्यस्त रहे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.